Hi there. Good evening, everyone. So let us have a quick session of how the trading was today. So today, the session has started with Bank of Baroda, and today the conclusion is I had made a profit of 430. I had used banking stock Bank of Baroda, considering that Bank of Baroda will be having a negative effect for the current market for the current day. And as expected, Nifty had opened in the lower margin, and it had not went up to a greater level. So which in between I had utilized the stock sales. So here you can able to see I had sold a total quantity of 1100, in which 600 quantity I had sold initially. Then while the graph, it reaches the peak value, I had sold the second 500 quantity, and that's how it became a 54,000 total units. And while the market had came down, I had purchased for a quantity of 1100 for a value of 48.70. So that is how the margin of 430 rupees has been created, and that is how my session has been completed. All right, so here you can able to see the current trade, which is the last traded value is 48.55. That means there might be some more opportunity from the 70 to 55, but still to avoid the risk and making the profit, I had made the buy value by 48.70. uh, Thank you, guys. So this is the update for today, and we'll update you shortly about how this complete last 1 week session has been there for me, and what is the total profit that I had made out of it. As a summary, I made a profit of around 1,000 rupees. The total profit, the total upper margin is 1,400, and I had made a loss of around 395 rupees, and that's how, as a ultimate conclusion, it had came to a value of 1048. So this is the trading which I had been utilized recently. So from the date of April 2nd and etc etc. So there is a 1 day which I had made a loss of 395, and then the rest of the trading were profit, and some were tried for uh, avoiding the loss, and that's how the total profit has been ended with 1048. In the next session, I will be explaining you all the details about how my trade was there for last 1 week, last couple of weeks, and how to trade the intraday trading. Yeah, thank you.